Hey guys, welcome to the part 1 of this video where I show you step by step on how to fund your trading account in Bamboo to invest in the stock market. Let's get right into it. All right, so the first step is to open the Bamboo app. Scroll down to USD wallet, then you click on deposit. So here it shows you if you want to deposit in naira or in dollars. So for the sake of this video, we click on naira. So let's say you have 5,000 naira to invest. So let's click on 5,000 naira. It will show you the equivalent, which sadly 5,000 naira is now $3 in this country. What is going on in Nigeria? 5k is now $3. Hey, let's change this to 10,000 naira, which is $6. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, let's keep it moving. All right, so let's invest 10,000 naira in our trading account in the Bamboo app. So you click on deposit. It will show you to select the payment type that you want. Either you want to deposit it in naira, in dollars, or in your brokerage account funding. So we click on naira, and it shows you that if you click on naira, you'll be charged a fee of 139 naira, and if you use dollar account to fund 18 cents. So let's click on the naira. It will take you to a landing Flutterwave page where you input your debit card details, and here you see the amount that has been entered into your account. Also, if you don't want to use your card, your debit card to make this payment, you have the option of making a direct transfer into your Bamboo trading account with your own designated account information. So you click on your naira wallet, then you click on direct wallet top up. It shows you your account number, your account name, the bank name, the exchange rate, and the fee. So there are two options: either you use a direct transfer or you use your debit card if you don't want to expose those information of yours. All right, I hope this video has been extremely helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments section, and to watch the part 2 of this video, which is the step-by-step on how to buy shares with your Bamboo account. All right, so I will see you in that video. Bye.